Hello guys and welcome back to this Kobo Antibiogram. I hope you've all been collecting data. We'll head over to the analysis. Some of you may have finished collecting data. Some of you may still be just starting, but that's okay. I for one have just probably finished 10% of the data that's available, but that's okay. We can still go ahead and see how we are going to analyze. So the end point will be in order to consolidate all the data that we have collected using the forms into an Excel sheet. So that will be the endpoint. So I'll just show you how to do that. So let's head over and click the antibiogram form that we created. Once we enter the form, you can go ahead and click the data column, and here you can head over to downloads. And so here after you click the downloads option, you'll be able to select the file in which the type of file you want to export the data. So if you're going to use Excel as the basic software in order to access the data, go ahead and click the XLS type and click export. Once you click export, the data will be made available for download, and that's the one that's here. And so go ahead and download the Excel sheet that has been made ready from the forms that you entered previously, made ready by this Kobo toolbox.